One thing about Kelly that I really appreciated was he was extremely welcoming right out the gate. I was real eager to get out of my parents' house, but once I found the right home, Kelly helped me there. He did some things that I think other realtors wouldn't do. When I sold my house with Kelly, he replaced all the light bulbs himself. He took care of all these things. It's just that one step that he goes that other realtors might not. When I was first looking for homes, it seemed like Kelly was one of those guys who's a friend more so than just your realtor. He's not here just to make a sale. He's not here just to get your money. He wants to get you the right house. He wants you to get it done right. And that's something I like, that, a realtor's not too pushy. They listen to what you're looking for. And he's extremely flexible with me, and I really enjoyed being around him. I feel like he's someone who really cares about the community, as you can see. Not many other realtors I know of do something like this. And that's just showing you care about the community as well. He puts a lot of his own time, effort, work, money into this, and that's something you can appreciate. Having a little company pride is something nice to see.